Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a recent event that highlights the ever-increasing role of technology in our lives. The Facebook outage on Super Tuesday, a major election day in the US. Let's talk first about the outage and cause. On Super Tuesday morning, Facebook faced a major outage lasting nearly 6 hours, affecting hundreds of thousands of users worldwide. Mark Zuckerberg apologized for the disruption. An inadvertent comment from an engineer caused a global disconnection of Facebook data center, impacting a staggering 3.5 billion users. And about the impact, this outage sparked a lot of conversations. Social media plays a central role in how we stay informed and connected with each other, especially during elections. When a platform like Facebook goes down, it disrupts those communication channels and potentially hinders voter engagement. For buoyant voter engagement, the outage went far beyond impacting political discourse. Billions of people globally rely on Facebook and its associated services like Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram to connect with friends and family, run businesses, and access essential services. This unexpected downtime caused a significant financial hit for businesses and disrupted communication for many. Now, let's move on to Mark Zuckerberg's apology and the bigger picture. Mark Zuckerberg apologized for the disruption. This event serves as a reminder for how deeply technology is woven into the fabric of our society. Social media platforms have become essential tools, but also raise questions about our dependence on them and the potential vulnerabilities they create. The Facebook outage is just one example of how advancements in technology are shaping our world. From AI and self-driving cars to smart devices and social media, technology is constantly evolving and influencing our lives in profound ways. Here on this channel, we explore those advancements and their impact on us. What are your thoughts on Facebook outage? How do you think technology is impacting society? Share your thoughts in the comments below and be sure to subscribe for more mind-bending dives into the future.